Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Chemistry Live UGPG. Today we are going to talk about covalent bond. So this will be highly beneficial for BSc Chemistry students under CBCS syllabus. So I have a simple message for you guys. Please think for innovation, be creative, learn everywhere, anytime and help to learn others. So this is the syllabus, Core 1, Unit 4, Chemical Bonding. So let's talk about what is covalent bond. A covalent bond is formed by sharing of one or more pairs of electrons with opposite spin between the two atoms, and it gives the stable configuration either 2 or 8 to the atom. So for hydrogen molecule, each hydrogen has one electron, so it is represented by one dot, and this another hydrogen atom, another electron, it is represented by another dot. So here in H2 molecule, so this is two dots are here, so both the electrons are shared by both the atoms. So this is otherwise called Lewis structure. So similarly we can have nitrogen molecule, so electrons are shared here, okay, so giving rise to N2 molecule. So the electrons in an atom present in atomic orbitals like s, p or d, so the sharing of electron involves interaction of atomic orbitals. So orbital interaction in chemical terms is called overlap of orbitals. So therefore a covalent bond is formed by overlap of orbitals, and the larger the overlap, the stronger the bond is. So let's talk about the Lewis structure. So molecules or ions are stable when they have duet or 2 or 8 octet of electronic configuration. So the presentation of species by showing their valence electrons by dots is called a Lewis structure. And the Lewis structure can be written by following rules. So rule number 1, the count the total valence electron first. So total valence electron equal to valence electron of the atom minus charge. So if it is NO2 plus, okay, then valence electron total minus the charge plus 1. So here it is 16. And in case of neutral molecule, so only the number of valence electron. And in case of a negative molecule, so valence electron will be this minus and the charge is minus 1. So here it is 24. Then rule number 2, find out the pi electrons. So that is called P. So P equal to 6n plus 2 minus valence electron. So here n is the total number of atom. So the pi electrons in NO3 minus. So this will be equal to 6 into 4 plus 2 minus 24. So it is found to be 2. So there will be 1 pi bond. So when the species contain hydrogen atoms, so this is the formula you have to use. P equal to 6x plus 2 minus valence electron. So here Ax equal to total atoms minus number of hydrogen atoms. So similarly for HCN molecule you can find out. So it is found to be valence electron equal to 10 and pi electron will be equal to 6 into 2 plus 2 minus 10. So you have 4. 4 means you have 2 pi bonds. So rule number 3, fix the central atom and makes the skeleton by joining the terminal atoms with one electron pair. And each atom, that is large atoms, are generally the central atom. Then rule number 4, then place the pi bonds. Then rule number 5, distribute the rest of the electron among the atoms to complete the octet. So in Lewis structures, there may develop a charge on an atom due to the limitation to provide octet to the each atom, and it is called the formal charge, which is calculated avoiding equal electronegativity to each atom. So let's discuss what is formal charge. The formal charge of an atom is the number of valence electrons minus the number of electrons associated with it within in an electron dot structure. So if the atom in a molecule has more electrons than the isolated atom, it has a negative formal charge. If the atom in a molecule has fewer electrons than the isolated atom, it has a positive formal charge. So formal charge we can calculate by this formula. Formal charge equal to number of valence electrons in free atom minus half of number of bonding electron minus number of lone pair of electron. So let's talk about O3 molecule, ozone molecule. So O8 atomic number, so 6 valence electrons. So in O3 we have 18. So total valence electron equal to 18 and pi electrons by using that formula. So 6 into 3 plus 2 minus 18. So 2. So that means 1 pi bond. So oxygen is the central atom and the skeleton is this one and 1 pi bond is added. So now electron redistributed to complete the octet. So here atom number 1, atom number 2 and atom number 3 and here you have a double bond or pi bond. Formal charge on atom number 1, so that will be equal to minus 1. Similarly formal charge on central atom number 2, so here it is found to be plus 1. And formal charge on atom number 3, it is found to be 0. So similarly electron dot or Lewis structure, so hydrogen and halogens usually form only one bond and elements in second row usually form a number of bonds. Similarly elements in third row and lower can have expanded octet of electron and can act as central atom. And the central atom is usually the element with the lowest electronegativity. So let's take another example, HCN. So total valence electron will be 10 and pi electron found to be 4, so 2 pi bonds. So carbon here is the central atom and the skeleton will be this one. Similarly hydrogen can have a 2 electron, duet only, and the pi bonds can be formed between carbon and nitrogen only. So here it will be this structure and 8 electrons are already used, so hence rest 2 electron have to be placed on the nitrogen. So 10 electrons are used up. So here we have 10 valence electrons. Similarly example number 3, BF3 molecule. So total number of valence electron equal to 24 and pi electron by using that formula 2, so there is 1 pi bond. So in BF3, so boron is the central atom, so the skeleton is this one and 1 pi bond, so pi bond is added. So similarly carbon dioxide, so number of valence electron equal to found to be 16 and number of pi electrons that is found to be 4, so you have 2 pi bond. So carbon is the central atom, skeleton is this one and 2 pi bond means 2 pi bonds are added. So octet is also here satisfied by giving the rest electron to the oxygen. So please subscribe to our channel Chemistry Live UGPG. This is also available in the website www.chemistryliveugpg.com. For class 11th and 12th, this is the channel Foundation Chemistry AB. So this is a simple step towards e-learning making life better. Thank you all for learning.